Kashy with the science kid.
5 seconds later.
Do you want to show our products? Okay, guys. So what we're going to do today is we're going to play with magnetic science. We have a barrel of slime. I know, I'm excited too. We have toothpicks. Can you say toothpicks? Toothpicks. We also have magnets. Can you show them the magnet? These are magnets. Your magnets? Okay, can I see those? Show them the iron. Say iron. We have iron. And we have magnets. Can you show them the magnet? And we have magnets. Okay, guys. Kashy, are you ready? So first we're going to open our barrel of slime. So you can make slime from scratch, but we decided to use pre-made slime. Okay, Kashy, pour the slime out. Wow, guys. Such a good job, Cassius. The next thing we're going to do, Kashy, is we're going to use your magnetic fouling. So we're going to open, let mommy open, and we're going to just sprinkle. So we got them open. Can you sprinkle the iron? As Kashy sprinkles the iron, I am going to actually stir the iron using a toothpick. Good job, Kashy. Good job. That's perfect. Kashy used the perfect amount of iron. All right. Kashy, now can you stir with a toothpick? Can you stir? Use your toothpick and stir the iron. Wow, Kashy, good job. Stir in the iron foulings and your pre-made slime or slime that you've made from home. Wow, Kashy, good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, guys, our slime looks just about the same, but I'm sure the density has changed because iron is rather heavy. Kashy, can I show them the slime? This is what your slime will look like. Shake, shake, shake. Ow! Okay, good job, Kashy. We're gonna open up our magnets. Our magnets are sticking to everything. Okay, Kashy, good job. You poured quite a bit of iron, so we're gonna put the iron to the side, and we need to continue to stir. Do you have your toothpick? Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir it up, Kashy. Keep stirring, Kashy. While Kashy is stirring, I'm gonna open up these iron magnets. They're called Venom magnets. And I also have some more industrial style magnets. Whatever you want to use is totally fine. I thought that we would use both to see which one is the strongest. I want you to use your magnet now. Kashy, hold your magnet above the slime. I'm gonna hold this one. Here, hold your magnet above the slime. Hold it. Here, hold your magnet. Hold your magnet above the slime. Hold it. Go around. Wow. Wow! It's grabbing my magnet! I'm super scared! Oh my goodness! Cassius! What is happening? I'm so scared! Wow, guys. Look at that reaction. Kashy, I'm scared. Kashy, you ready? We're going to use this magnet. Okay, mommy will help you. Hold your magnet. Hold it. You got it? Hover over the slime. Hover, hover, hover. Whoa, whoa, Kashy, look. Whoa, whoa! The slime is eating the magnet. We don't want. It's alive.
Iron is attracted to magnets because their electrons spin. This results in magnetic moments. The iron does not come out of the slime because of adhesion, which is the force that binds molecules together.
I'm scared too. Good job, Kashy. The only thing that we need to do now is celebrate.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Kashy with the science kid.
Cash.